What is the term for an eating disorder characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight? Answer B, anorexia nervosa. Which mental health condition is characterized by a person's inability to pay attention and hyperactive behavior? Answer A, ADHD. What is the term for a mental disorder where a person has difficulty distinguishing between reality and imagination? Answer C, psychosis. Which therapy focuses on changing negative thought patterns to improve mental health? Answer A, cognitive behavioral therapy. What is the main neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation that is targeted by SSRIs? Answer A, serotonin. What is the term for a psychological disorder characterized by delusions and hallucinations? Answer B, schizophrenia.